Here I have a extremely small novelty clock. The base around it is missing, so I'll have to make a base. But I picked this up from a friend of mine. The hands will not come off. They are pressed on there. I can't get them off. I can't take the movement apart without taking the hands off. The movement is extremely dirty, so I wouldn't normally recommend this. But here I have my basket held up in the air by these two screwdrivers. The movement fits in there without the wood touching the solution, so I'm going to clean it that way. Again, I would not normally recommend this, but I don't want to tear up the clock. This is a novelty clock. They're cheap throwaway clocks. Well, I'm not going to throw this thing away. I'm going to repair it. Got the solution set for 10 minutes, and we'll see what happens afterwards. Well, it's not as clean as what I really want to see it, but it is cleaner. And so now I need to oil it. And like I said, I need to make a box for it so you can hang it on the wall. But this is a extremely small novelty clock. And if I wound the spring all the way up, it would be sitting here ticking. It still needs a little bit of adjustment, but it's worth saving. Hope y'all like this video. Hit the subscribe button and God bless. Here you can see the clock is ticking away, and I made a somewhat of a backing for it. It's not pretty, but it will work. And all I gotta do is put that screw in. I'm probably gonna put another screw in down here and then make a pendulum for it. But it seems to work. So that's all that counts. But anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.